In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a new line within a cell here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to create a new line within a cell, here's how to do it. So I have an example right here. I have two examples. We have these texts inside this cell, and I've created two lines right here. So you can do that right here or with your formula bar. That's totally up to you. It will be the same. So let's try and recreate that. So if I were to put new data right here with the same format where I have two lines, the first one and the second one. So if you want to create the same thing or if you want to enter your data in the same way, here's how to do it. So we have the name, the age. For this one, I'm going to try and put in the date of birth. So I'm just going to type date of birth right here. There we go. If I press enter, there you have it. It will move on to the next cell. Now, pressing enter is usually what you do when you try to start a new line with Google Docs. But with Google Sheets, within one cell, you can't do that. So what we're going to do would be to double click on that cell again. Let's go back to that cell. And after the first line, if you're done with that, what you're going to press on your keyboard would be the control key or the command key. Press and hold that with your enter. And there you have it. You'll see that we have started a new line within that cell. Now you can create as many lines as you want, but I'm only going to create two lines within this cell where I'm going to put in the format for the date of birth. So I want that to be in our days first. So that's D/month/ and year. Close that off. And there you have it. Press enter. I'm just going to format that to the middle, and there you have it. So again, to create that new line, what you're going to do is to press Control or Command key and enter. Now you can do that within your cell right here, or with the formula bar would be the same. So if we were to ask, let's say, place of birth right here, there you go. Even though I'm entering it in our formula bar, it's appearing within our cell right here, which is selected. So if I want to start a new line right here, I'm just going to, again, press Control or Command key, then enter. Now you won't be able to see our new line right here in the formula bar. What you can do is to adjust the size of that formula bar. There you go. Make it bigger. So what you're going to do is to hover that pointer until it changes into a different one like so. And then just click and drag, and there you have it. Here we're going to, again, just enter additional data that you want for this specific text. So the place of birth would be just, let's just say the state. Press enter, and there you have it. Format it in any way you want, and there you go. So that's how you can create a new line within a cell here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.